A few years ago, I thought people who earned well are financially secured. Then I started working in finance and I came across the uncomfortable truth. A person A who is earning 25,000 per month is living peaceful life. A person B who is earning 2 lakh per month is always stressed about money. Then I understood. Personal finance is never about the income problem. It's always about the behavioral problem. And that is why most people stay financially stuck even after watching 100 of finance video. You don't need motivation. You don't need to watch another video on best mutual fund of 2026. You need a system. And weirdly enough, one of the best book ever written about money is not a finance book. It's Atomic Habit by James Clear. My name is Latika, and today in this video we will be discussing the principles from that book that can help you to change your financial life completely. I'll be discussing the systems which will be taking less than 5 minutes of yours to set up. Stay till the end because the last one habit has changed my personal investing habits completely. Meet Priya. Priya earns well. She watches every finance creator. She has investing apps in her phone. She knows that SIP is important, but every month ends in the same way. Salary comes in, expense happen, random spending also happens, and investment becomes like next month से पक्का. ये सिर्फ प्रिया की स्टोरी नहीं है. This is the story of urban India. And the problem is not knowledge. The problem is that people try to make financial discipline using willpower. But Atomic Habit teaches us something far more important. You do not rise to the level of your goal. You fall to the level of your system. So let me show you 4 important principles of Atomic Habit that can genuinely improve your financial life. Atomic Habit says, make good habits obvious. But currently your salary is obvious. Your investments are invisible. Whenever salary is credited in your account, your brain mentally starts spending it. Swiggy, EMI, Amazon sale, everything feels necessary. So here's the fix. Automate your SIP date to the 2nd of every month. Not 10th, not whenever you remember. It should be 2nd of every month. Before the brain gets emotionally attached to the money. And honestly, this one change alone improves your financial discipline as compared to any budgeting app ever will. The second concept from Atomic Habit is habit stacking, meaning attach your new habit to something you are consistently doing. Most people fail financially because investing feels separate from life. Big task, complicated task, serious task. The brain delays it. Instead, attach the money habit to your routine habits. For example, if you are drinking your morning coffee, you can scrutinize your expenses which you have done yesterday. Whenever your salary gets credited, you can sit on your investment. Every Sunday after dinner, you can plan your week of expenses ahead. Tiny habits, but repeated consistently can change awareness around money. Financial discipline is not built on one Sunday motivation session. It is built on tiny repeatable habits. Third principle, make good habits easy. Right now spending is easy. Investing is annoying. That matters more than you think because behavioral psychology says that human naturally chooses the path which requires least effort. That is why you order dessert at midnight within 12 seconds, but you delay your SIP increasing amount for 6 months. So reduce friction. One investment app, one dashboard, auto-enabled the SIP, pin mark the budgeting Excel to your home screen. The fewer decisions your brain has to make, the more consistent you are with your finances. People think that discipline creates the system, but it is opposite. The system creates the discipline. Here's the biggest reason people quit investing, because the reward is invisible. Gym gives instant result, but investing is invisible. But investing gives emails and PDF. Your brain struggles when your progress cannot be seen. So Atomic Habit suggests something powerful. Make habits satisfying. Track your streak, not your return. Consistency. One row every month. Date, amount invested, running total. And suddenly your brain stops thinking, kitna return mila? Start thinking, कि I don't want to break that streak. The one which you maintain in the Snapchat. यही mechanism लोगों को market crash में भी invested रखता है. Because habits are stronger than emotion. People think that wealth is created through intelligence. Yeah, sometimes. But long-term wealth is created through consistency, repeatable, small, tiny habits. That is all compounding actually is. Not just money compounding, but the behavior compounding. 500 rupees invested monthly consistently for 10 years mean more than one burst of motivation. Because in personal finance, consistency beats intensity every single time. इसलिए personal finance का game stocks नहीं है. behavior है. So if you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: your financial life is not shaped by one big decision. It is shaped by small repetitive behavior you barely notice. That one SIP, that one impulse purchase you avoided, that one weekly money check-in, that one automatic setup, because eventually your habit becomes your financial future. So tonight, not tomorrow, just pick up one habit from this video, just one, and tell me in the comment which money habit do you struggle the most. Personally, मेरे लिए impulse buying was the habit I was struggling the most. If this video helped you think differently about money, share it with someone who needs this, and I will see you in the next